Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video, I have shown you how to use variables in your PHP script, and I have shown you how to use these double quotes and single quotes using this print function. So I have shown you whenever you use this double quotes and whenever you want to print your variable, then you will be able to print this using double quotes, because then this variable will be passed or parsed whenever you use double quotes. On the other hand, when you use single quotes, your variable inside your single quote, even if it has the same name as your variable, will not be parsed and it will print out literally. Okay, so this I have shown you in the last video, and the result of this was variable.php, and I need to save this first, and then in here you see the difference, right? So whenever you echo using double quotes and you use your variable inside your double quote, it will be parsed and your variable value will be printed. Otherwise you will not be able to print this value. But for example, you want to print the value using single quotes, and you also want to use this uh, variable using single quotes. What you can do here is you can just cut out this variable from here, and you can use concatenation to print out your variable value. So you can just write hello is equal to in single quotes, and then you need to give this full stop or point symbol or period symbol, whatever you say. So you just give this point or this full stop here and give your variable name, which is name, and then once again give this full stop, and whatever you write in this full stop will be, so this is called concatenation symbol in PHP. So this and this variable will be joined together, and this will be the joining force in between your text and your variable. So once again, when I save it and I refresh this, it shows me some error because, yeah, I need to add, I don't need this concatenation symbol here because I'm not adding any string after this name. But yeah, this concatenation symbol I need. So this point or this period symbol or this full stop symbol will add or concatenate these two strings like this. Okay, so just remember that whenever you need to concatenate two strings, just use this, and if you are not concatenating, you will not need to use this here. And once again save it and refresh, and I can see the same results right now, right? So in this way you can use concatenation symbol or concatenate two strings. Now for example, I want to use some HTML to print out some link, or to open a link, or to show a link in PHP. So for example, I want to do something like this, echo, and in double quotes I want to do a. So this is the tag for showing the link or reference. So href, if you know HTML, you will know what I'm talking about. And the name of the link, for example, www.google.com, and then after your link name you just close this tag, and then give your name, which will be shown on the top of your link. So for example, Google, and then you close this tag by this. Okay, so this is the HTML code which I'm writing. So if you don't know HTML code and how to print these links, you can obviously go to my playlist and see the HTML tutorial, or you can Google it. It's easy to find how to print this. Okay, so here what can I do is I can just give a concatenation symbol, and then I can use those double quotes or single quotes, and I can provide a break so that this link will start from the new line. I will save it, and when I refresh my, it shows some error www. So it will show an error. Why? Because your PHP code will think that this double quote is ending here, and this is some alien text for your PHP parser, because your string is or your string is starting from this double quotes and ending in this double quotes, and this will once again you need to concatenate or do something like this. So instead of using this, if you only use single quotes here, single quotes and single quotes, and I forgot semicolon also, and then see what happens. I will just refresh, and I will be able to see my link here, and when I click this, I will be able to see hopefully Google. No, maybe I need to change this to HTTP 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 colon slash slash, and then maybe my link will be recognized. Okay, so I will just go once again and click this link, and now my Google will open, right? So in this way you can, if you want to use HTML tags inside your PHP script, you can use single quotes to print this, right? So I will make a convention. Generally for me, I have the convention that whenever I need to use this HTML tags, I use single quotes, and whenever I want to use some variables or print out some variables, I use these double quotes here. Now for example, I want to add this Google as a variable here. So for example, I can do it something like this. I can declare this and symbol and write Google is equal to, and then I provide the name Google link, for example, and end it, and I want to use this in here. So I can use my concatenation operator, which is two dots, and in between you can give your symbol like this, but you also need to give the single quote here and single quote here to tell that this single quotes end here. Then you concatenate your variable, then once again your quotation is starting from here and ends here. Okay, and once again when I run this, it will show me Google link, and when I click this, Google will be open in my browser. So in this way you can use this concatenation operator in your PHP. One more a little thing is, for example, I want to show some escape characters also. So for example, you want to print something like this in double quotes. You want to print hello world, and you want to print it in double quotes, right, inside double quotes. How can you do, or how can you go about it? So for example, you do it something like this: hello world. It will not print hello world in double quotes, right? So when I save it and when I run this, it's not printing my hello world in double quotes, right? So what can I do here? I will just give a break so that it's my hello world start from the new line. I can just use double quotes here, but this will also not serve my purpose, because that's my PHP script will think that this will start from here and end from here. So for showing your double quote, you use this escape symbol, not this but this one, and in here also. So whenever you want to print this double quote here, you initialize it with this escapes operator or escape symbol, and escape symbol in PHP is this slash. So it will print this like this. So save it and once again run the program, and now you will be able to see hello world in double quotes here, right? Now for example, you want to print something like this. I have two single quotes and I want to print uh, it's a nice day, for example. Yeah, but this symbol is already reserved as a single quote here, and to escape this, what you can do is the same thing. You need to use this escape symbol, which is this one, and once you save it, your this single quote symbol will be taken literally. Okay, so when I just refresh it, it says it's a nice day with this small symbol here. Okay, so in this way you can use this concatenation operator, escape symbol, and HTML tag if you want to print these like this. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.